I'm Colleen Needles. Families who have seriously ill or critically injured children have a heavy burden to bear on many fronts, including the cost of a monthly mortgage payment. Spare Key is a Minnesota-based nonprofit that works to assist families to keep their homes during times of stress. And here to tell us more is Spare Key Executive Director Eric Michie. Eric, welcome to Newsmakers.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Well, it's good to see you.
Absolutely.
Tell us a little bit about Spare Key's mission and how it all got started.
Sure. Rob and Patsy Keach had a child several years ago who was born with significant health issues. After about 2.5 years and multiple surgeries, his heaven date came, and after that was done, Rob and Patsy decided they wanted to do something to give back to the community. They had had a lot of bills, they had difficulty paying their own mortgage, and they thought there was room in the community to have an organization that would help provide that type of service and to give families the gift of time. And so about 15 years ago, they started Spare Key in their kitchen table, and ever since then, we've been paying mortgages for Minnesota families.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Oh, especially at a time when they don't need to worry about that. How exactly does the program work?
The program is really simple for Minnesota families, and it was designed to be that way. Our guidelines are that you have to be able to have a child who is hospitalized 21 out of 90 days. They have to have a serious illness or critically injured. You have to be a homeowner, and you have to be current with your mortgage and be able to show that there's been a significant reduction in income or a significant increase in expenses. It's very easy to learn about that by going to our website where the guidelines are there. And what our experience has been is that while families are dealing with these crises, having really complicated forms and instructions is just not what they need at that time. And so our guidelines are pretty basic and pretty simple and easy for families to fill out.
How many families are you serving each year?
We serve a little over 200 families a year. We pay out around $250,000 in mortgage payments. Our average mortgage payment for a Minnesota family is about $1,000. And that really allows that family to take that mortgage and take it off their to-do list and put on their to-do list spending time with their kids. The founders really believe that the program should have been designed to give people the gift of time with their kids, and we're really proud of their track record of being able to do that.
I have to imagine, especially at a time that is so stressful like that, that this has a huge impact on families.
I think if you had a chance to listen when we call the family to tell them that we've approved their mortgage grant payment. You hear this audible gasp on the side of the phone. You followed oftentimes by tears of joy. For those families, this is a relief valve. This is an opportunity, as one of our family recipients said, to give them time to bounce and not break.
Oh, absolutely. You were telling me earlier you are supported almost entirely by private donations. How can those of us who are hearing about this for the first time, how can we help? It's
really easy to do. Go to our website. It gives you all the instructions on how you can involve yourself as an individual or a corporation, or you can call us. Our goal and objective is to make our program accessible for the people who are recipients, but to make it easily accessible for folks who want to be donors.
And I understand you actually have several events throughout the year that are fundraising events, and also I'm sure a chance to get to know what you do a little better.
That's right. Yeah, we have a golf tournament on September 18th this year, and then each year we have a big annual gala called The Groove. And for 2013, it's going to be on March 2nd. It's going to be at the Aria in downtown Minneapolis. We just booked Martin Zeller, who's going to do his Neil Diamond tribute show, so it's going to be a lot of fun.
Oh, fantastic. Yeah. That's terrific. And you were talking earlier, you have some pretty ambitious plans for future growth.
Right. We think there's probably anywhere from 1,200 to 1,500 Minnesota families who would qualify for our program. Our goal over the next 3 years is to try to triple the number of families each year that we're providing mortgage grant payments to.
Well, hopefully today you'll get a good jump start on the ability to make that goal. Thank you for what you do, and good luck.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
And stay in touch with us.
Absolutely.
We'd love to hear how it's going.
Thank you.
You can learn more about the work of Spare Key by visiting their website at sparekey.org, and you can also sign up for their September 18th golf tournament if you wish, and you can learn about other ways of supporting the organization at sparekey.org, or feel free to call them at 952-406-8872. And that's going to do it for this edition of Comcast Newsmakers. I'm Colleen Needles. Thank you for watching.